It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 12th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Cloudy skies, scattered showers throughout the day today here in the valley. We'll see a lingering chance of rain into tomorrow and Tuesday. A couple of nice days after that, and then a big pattern change, perhaps a major storm system impacting the southwest next weekend with widespread rain, mountain snows. Could be a significant weather event. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. Cloudy skies here at 9:25 a.m. Few sprinkles around right now. Temperature at Sky Harbor Airport, 63 degrees. Dew point 52. Relative humidity, 68%. The winds are from the southwest at 9. The barometer, 30 inches and rising. Temperatures across the area this morning, 55 at Fort McDowell, 57 out at Buckeye. Most of us upper 50s to mid 60s right now. Some clouds moving across the area in association with an upper low that we can clearly see spinning off of the northwest coast of Baja. And on radar, showers lined up from Organ Pipe National Monument to Gila Bend, Wickenburg, Morristown, Prescott, all the way up to Flagstaff. A few showers here in the valley right now. And we'll see those moving through the area as we go through the day today. On the watch warning map, some wind advisories out in western Arizona along the Colorado River. Wind in the southern plains, but the big story is another winter storm in the northeast. Winter storm warnings from Philadelphia, New York, Hartford, Boston, and all the way through upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. Blizzard warnings in parts of eastern Maine from Bangor to Eastport. So places like New York, Hartford, Boston expecting anywhere from 4 to 10 inches of snow. More snows as you go north and east. And then when you get into Maine, those blizzard warning areas, those folks could see anywhere from 18 to 24 inches of snow. Unbelievable. And along with that, of course, some hurricane force winds at times in those regions. It's going to be a mess up there. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather to talk about today. Some thunder possible here in the southwest, though, and we'll talk about that and the rest of our forecast details as we look at the models. Let's see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Upper low across northwest Mexico, producing some southerly flow here. Some showers will wrap around this. We've already seen that this morning. We'll continue to see that throughout the day today. Scattered showers, not going to rain all day, and not everybody is going to see rain at the same time. Even if you do see some precipitation, it will be generally light. Here's the high-resolution rapid refresh model, the HRRR, this afternoon at 5 o'clock. Showers over eastern Arizona. More numerous there, and some rain lined up over the western part of the state. And once again, as you know, the radar won't look exactly like this, but a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm here in the valley this afternoon. Looking at the instability profile, this is the surface-based CAPE today at 5 o'clock. Values anywhere from 3 to 600 joules per kilogram across much of south central Arizona. Higher values approaching 1,000 joules over southwest Arizona and northwest Mexico. So isolated thunderstorms certainly appear to be possible. And if you get under one of those, certainly you could see some heavier rain. But most of us probably seeing less than 1/10 of an inch today. Tonight, that low will begin to shift off to the east. Mostly cloudy skies, lows in the 50s tonight. Tomorrow, we're partly cloudy. Some wraparound moisture and still some cool air aloft will promote some instability showers, especially in the afternoon. But again, they'll be pretty isolated. I don't think a whole lot of us are going to see anything. If you do, it will be fairly light. High temps tomorrow, low 70s, and just a slight chance of rain. On Tuesday, that low moves off into the southern plain states, but a little piece of energy will rotate around the backside of this. We've seen this now picked up by most of the guidance. So a small chance of rain on Tuesday. Some of the probability, the numerical models indicate about a 30% chance of rain on Tuesday. I don't think it's quite that high. But an isolated shower still can't be ruled out Tuesday, especially during the afternoon. And we'll have highs again, low to mid 70s. Then on Wednesday, high pressure will try to build in here as that feature moves off to the southeast. And temperatures rebounding a bit, mid to upper 70s. The sky mostly sunny. Thursday, we're mostly sunny. Could see a few clouds coming in later in the day. High temperatures, upper 70s to near 80. Then on Friday, start to see a major pattern change beginning to evolve here as a parade of low pressure systems begin to move on the west coast and throughout California into the Intermountain regions. Have a surface low near Reno. There's another surface low west of Eureka, and rain beginning to pick up in the southern California deserts and out into western Arizona, northern Arizona as well. A small chance of rain coming in here late in the day on Friday, and moisture will be picking up. High temperatures will sag back toward the low and middle 70s, and the chance of rain coming in. Now, this is Saturday morning. See a negative tilt trough coming our way, diffluent flow, and some pretty strong winds aloft. So showers will develop. You can see a pretty widespread rain event there. Another surface low in northern Nevada, another surface low off the northern California coast, and plenty of strong southwesterly upslope flow to promote some good shower activity. This has been well advertised by the European, and now it is supported by the GFS. Some of the ensemble members are a little bit all over the place on this. There's some model spread, but confidence is still moderately high in a pretty good rain event next weekend. Saturday could turn out to be one of those days where it does rain all day, and the rain could be heavy at times, and with the negative tilt orientation of this trough and the cold air associated with this, could even see some isolated thunderstorms, and we'll have to watch for that possibility as well. Now, this is still 6 days out. Let's keep that in mind. So a lot can and likely will change between now and then. We don't want to get everyone too riled up just yet, but this could very well be a significant weather event here. Then this is a week from today, Sunday, February 19th, and still unsettled weather here in the southwest. Plenty of rain across much of the state, snow in the higher elevations. Snow level will be coming down. This is a much colder system than the one that you're seeing today, and much stronger. It's actually a parade of low pressure systems that will carve out this trough. And so we'll have rain, mountain snow, maybe some isolated thunderstorms. Then this is Monday the 20th. Most of that starts to shift off to the east. High pressure will try to build in here. It's a mainly zonal flow. Still plenty of clouds around, I feel, though. High temperatures back toward the low 70s. We're going to see high temps cooling off into the 60s with this, and some of the guidance even suggests highs only in the upper 50s. Then this is the end of the forecast period. Tuesday, February 21st. High pressure over the area. Still maybe some high clouds as troughing will persist to our west, but high temperatures will recover back toward the low and middle 70s. And the numbers off of the European ensemble. I think we're going to be cooler tomorrow, and then warming up for the week. Temps may get warmer than this, but overall, we'll see temps at least at or slightly above seasonal normals, and then much cooler next weekend and beyond with the major pattern change upcoming. That's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching, and have a great Sunday.